Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the workshop, Path to the Best Version of Myself. I'm making this video as a pre-watch. I mean, watch it before you come to the workshop so you know what to expect and what I expect from you. We start with the goal of this workshop. Our goal with this workshop is empowerment. True empowerment does not mean that life becomes easy. It does not mean that problems disappear. It does not mean that people always treat us fairly or that circumstances always go our way. It's about removing some of the inner weight, confusion, old stories, automatic patterns that stop us from becoming who we already have the potential to be. True empowerment means that even when life is difficult, I have access to choice. I may not control everything that happens around me, but I can take charge of what happens within me. My feelings, my meanings, my responses, my actions, and my direction overall. Now, when coming to these sessions, come ready to do 5 things. 1. We will work with simple ideas, simple human truths that can create deep change when we actually practice them. 2. We look at the stories we tell ourselves. We will also look at the power these stories have on us and the power that we have on these stories. 3. Be ready to take full responsibility for your life. Not blame, responsibility. There's a difference. 4. We'll also look at our pasts. Not to get stuck in it, but to change our relationship with it. The past can become a burden or it can become power. It can become an anchor that weighs us down, or it can become a rocket that pushes us forward. 5. We will write our future. So be ready. Now also come with this mindset. Otherwise, I will hardly be of any benefit to you. 1. I am not a role model. I'm not here as someone who has figured everything out. I am only a voice, a facilitator. I'm a moderator in this journey. The real teacher will be your own reflection. 2. Change will come from practice. We call this workshop a path. A path is useless if we only admire it and don't walk on it. A path only helps us when we walk. So please do not come as a passive listener. Come ready to think, write, reflect, question, practice and apply. 3. Leave all labels at the door. No judging people. No right or wrong, weak or strong, successful, unsuccessful, spiritual, unspiritual, modern, traditional. No prejudice, no comparison or outward focus. For this journey, we'll suspend the habit of what others are doing and focus only on my inner self. 4. Bring a curious and experimental attitude. Be your most fun self. If I were to summarize the required mindset in one line, I would say this. For these sessions, I am willing to look at my life with honesty, take back my power, and practice becoming the best version of myself. May Allah give me the ability to be useful to you and you the ability to become the best version of yourselves. Ameen.